Students, now we will take the third question. A particle moves along a line according to the law S of t equal to 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. Here t greater than or equal to 0. T is nothing but the time. Okay. At what time the particle changes the direction? Find the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds. Find the particle's acceleration each time when the velocity is 0. Okay. First question is at what time the particle changes the direction. The particle is moving in a particular direction and after some time it will change the direction. So at what time the particle changes the direction. Next, find the total distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds. Okay, then third question is find the particle's acceleration each time. Find the particle's acceleration each time the velocity is 0. Okay, now you are given S of t equal to 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. So now S of t 6 into 2 into t cube becomes 3t square. So 2 into 3 6t square minus 9 into 2 8 is 18t plus 12 into differentiation of t is 1 and minus 4 that becomes is a constant, it becomes 0. Okay, then when the particle changes the direction you are having S of t equal to 0. So making 6t square minus 18t plus 12, we make it as 0. You have got a 6 common, so totally you can divide by 6, so that 6 ones are 6, so 1t square. 18 divide by 6, we are getting 3 6 are 18, so 3t, and 2 6 are 12, so t square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. You can factorize it by splitting the middle term. The sum is minus 3 and the product is 2, so the answer is minus 1 and minus 2. Since there is no coefficient in the place of t square, you can very well write down the factors straight away. So t minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So from that we are getting t equal to 1 or t equal to 2 seconds. Okay, that is the time where the particle changes its direction. Next, total distance traveled by the particle in the first 4 seconds. So the total distance traveled means that should be found out by the formula. Actually, distance traveled by the particle in 4 seconds means it is S of 4, but the total distance traveled mean in first second, in second second, in third second and fourth second. Okay, so it is nothing but S of 1 modulus of S of 1 minus S of 0 plus S of 2 minus S of 1 plus S of 3 minus S of 2 plus S of 4 minus S of 3. Okay, now how to get this S of 1, S of 2 and all? You are already given S of t equal to, what is S of t equal to 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. Okay, so you can substitute one by one. So you are given, what is that given? S of t equal to, you are given S of t equal to 2t cube minus 9t square plus 12t minus 4. So here you can substitute the value one by one. You can substitute. What you are substituting? First you are substituting t equal to 0. Sorry, so S of 0 is, in the place of t you can substitute 0. So 2 into 0 minus 9 into 0 plus 12 into 0 minus 4 only. So the total answer is minus 4 along. Then S of 1, substitute t equal to 1. So 2 into 1 cube, that is 1 minus 9 into 1 plus 12 into 1 minus 4. So adding all together you are getting 2 plus 12 14 and 9 minus 4 minus 9, that is minus 13. So 14 minus 13 is 1. Then S of 2, substitute t equal to 2 here. So 2 into 2 cube, that is 2 into 8 minus 9 into 2 square plus 12 into 2 minus 4. So 16 minus 36 plus 24 minus 4. So adding together we are getting 0. Then S of 3, so substitute t equal to 3. So we are getting 2 into 3 cube, that is 27 minus 9 into 3 square is 9 plus 12 into 3 minus 4. So 2 into 27 54 minus 9 into 9 81 plus 12 into 3 36 minus 4. So by simplifying we are getting 5. Then what you are getting? Next, last S of 4. So 2 into 4 cube 64 minus 9 into 4 square 16 plus 12 into 4 minus 4. So totally we are getting, what's the value? 26. Substitute all these values in step number 1 so that you are getting the answer by simply substituting all the values. What you are getting? The total value becomes 1, that is s of 1 minus s of 0. The 1 minus of minus 4 plus s of 2 minus s of 1 plus s of 3 minus s of 2 plus s of 4 minus s of 5. So adding all together, 1 minus of minus 4, 5, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 5 minus 0 is 5, 28 minus 5 is 23. All modulus, that is absolute value. So 5, then modulus of minus 1 is 1 plus 5 plus 28. So adding all together, it is 34 meter. That is the total distance traveled by the particle in first 4 seconds. Okay. Next, the third question. What is the third question? Third question is find the particle's acceleration each time the velocity is 0. Okay. So what you have to do now? That is third one, you can differentiate the function s dash. Already you have differentiated s dash. You found s dash of t, 6t square minus 18t plus 12. Now you can again differentiate it so that you are getting s dash of t equal to 6 into 2t minus 18. Okay. Now when you substitute t equal to 1 and t equal to, already you have found it. Already you found it by making s dash of t equal to 0. You have found t equal to 1 or t equal to 2 seconds. Here you have already found it. So when you substitute t equal to 1 or t equal to 2, the velocity becomes 0. Substitute t equal to 1 and t equal to 2 separately in s double dash of t. So you are getting s double dash of 1 equal to 12 into 1 minus 18 minus 6. Then s double dash of 2 is 12 into 2 minus 18, 6 meter per second square. Okay.